Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at your home. So students, today in this video we are going to read and write all the answers of our chapter number 2, how the dog found himself a new master. All right. So we will begin with our first MCQ. Okay, question number 1. All right. So we have to select the appropriate answer from this following options. Okay. So let's see first one first. How the dog was not happy with his way of life because he so why the dog was not happy with the way he was living his life. So we'll read the options one by one. A, because was tired of wandering by himself looking for food. B, was tired of being frightened of those who were stronger than he. C, was tired of not being able to find a good companion for himself. Or D, both A and B. So our first option says that he was tired by looking here and there uh, for the and getting the food for himself. Or B, he was tired and he was frightened, means he was afraid that there is someone who is stronger than him. Okay, and he was tired that he's not being able to find the good companion, means you can say the partner or the company for himself. Okay, so here our answer is A. He was tired by wandering, means roaming here and there and looking for the food for himself. All right. Then our second question. The dog wanted to be a dash of one who was stronger than anyone on the earth. So now the dog wanted to be a dash. Okay, he wanted to be of the one who was the stronger than anyone on the earth. Okay, so he wanted to become a master, B followers, his servant, or D friend. So he want to become the A master. Okay. Then third one, who is described as the kinsman of dog in this unit. So in this unit, as we already saw that what is the kinsman, right? Uh, so option A bear, B wolf, C lion, D tiger. So kinsman in the sense who is the relative of the dog described in this unit. So the relative of the dog in this unit is described to the wolf. The correct answer is B wolf. Then fourth one, what had frightened the wolf. So now what is that person or thing that has frightened, that has afraid to the wolf. So A dog, B lion, C bear, D man. So the wolf was afraid by the C bear. Okay, because as we saw the chapter, how the dog is finding a new master, like as the days are passing. So first he found the wolf and then he found the bear. Then next, eat our fill means, so to eat our fill means to, like, A, eat delicious food. B, eat when hungry. C, eat to the fullest of our capacity. And D, eat without any interruption. Okay, so what does this fares means, eat our fill. So it means like to eat delicious food means very a good and tasty food. B, to eat when we are hungry. Or C, to eat to the fullest of our capacity, means to eat that how much we can eat up to our capacity, up to our ability. Okay. And D, eat without any interruption, means to keep on eating without any interruption or without any you know so our correct answer is eat to the fullest of our capacity. All right. Then sixth one, the cows were running in a panic for. So why the cows were running in a panic? Okay, why they were running in a on a very like in the very hurriness, or in the very like troubleness. Okay, so we'll see the options. A, they saw the dog. B, they saw the bear. C, they heard the roar of the lion. And D, they heard the snort of the bear. So here the correct answer is B. The cows were running here and there because they saw the bear. All right. Now we'll see the next one. What did the bear do when he heard the lion coming? So when the bear got to know that the lion is coming, so what he did, we'll see. A, hid behind a tree. B, ran hastily deeper into the forest. C, started grunting. And D, both A and B. So what lion did, what the bear did, he hid behind the tree, means he was hiding himself behind the tree. And B, he was also running hastily, means very fastly into the forest. Okay, so our option is D, both A and B. All right. Now eighth one, with whom was the stay of the dog the safest and the best? All right, so now read the lesson, right? Now they are asking you, the dog was feeling the, for the dog, which was the safest and the best way to stay with, okay, to live with. So answer is A, bear. Sorry, options are A, bear, B, wolf, C, lion, D, tiger. So correct option is C, lion. He used to feel, the safest and the best, stay with the lion. Alright, so these are our 8 MCQs. Then coming to the next MCQs. See, now ninth one says, what did the lion do when he smelt a man coming his way? So, you know what now lion did when he got to know that the man is coming on his way, okay, near his way. So, A, gave a great roar. B, struck the ground angrily. C, began to back away very quickly. And D, all of this. So our correct answer is all of these three, because when the lion got to know that some man is coming near to him. Okay, so he gave a great roar, means he gave a great, you can say a shout. Okay, he struck the ground angrily. So he was like striking the ground very angry, in the anger manner. Okay, and he began to back away very quietly. So he began to move away very quietly, means nobody can look him, and like nobody can get him in his in the sight of that man. So, okay, so he was, uh, doing all these three things. So correct answer is all of these three. All right. Then 10th point. Whom did the dog find the most powerful on the earth finally? So as we read the story, we know, right, very well. So after all the animals he stayed with her, now whom did the dog is finding the most powerful, okay, on the earth family? So he's finding man as the most powerful. Okay, so there are four options: A, wolf, B, man, C, lion, and D, bear. So correct option is B, man. Now our question number 2 is given about complete the incomplete sentences. Okay, so here, some sentences are given from the reader itself, and you have to find out the answers and you have to write. Okay, so first one: once upon a time, dogs lived the way wolves do in freedom. Then the dog was second one. Then the dog was born who was ill pleased with his this way of life. Then third one, the dog set out to find a such master. Okay. Then fourth one, the wolf ran deep. Sorry, the wolf ran into the forest when. Why the wolf ran into the forest? When he saw the bear. Then fifth one, the bear proposed to dog, saying that he will not kill a cow and we will eat eat our fill. Okay, so the dog is bear is proposing in the sense that bear is putting the deal in front of the, the dog, that we will both find out the cow, and we will both, fulfill our stomach, and we will get the food to eat. All right. Then the bear did not attack the cows because he saw the lion over there. Okay. Then seventh one, on smelling a man coming their way, the lion told the dog, we would better run off for it or we will be in trouble. So, these all are the incomplete sentences, and you can easily find it from your reader, and you can write from this also. Okay, and this you have to complete the sentence. So, this is about our question number 2. Complete the following sentences. Now, we'll see the right wrong over here. Okay, we'll read the statement. So, okay, first one. Dogs were once their own masters and lived in freedom, right? So this is true. Dog used to be their own master, and they used to live in the freedom like the wolves do. Okay, so this is true. So you have to put the right over there. Then second one. The stronger ones often frightened the dog, and he was sick of it. So now you can say the animal or the another beast who is stronger than the dog. So he was frightened of it, and he was also sick of it. So this is also true. So we will put the right over there. Then third one. The bear is a kinsman of the dog. Now here in the chapter we saw that, in this unit we saw that, who was considered as the first kinsman of the dog, the wolf. So this is the wrong. The bear is not the kinsman of the dog. So this is wrong. Then fourth one. As soon as the bear saw the wolf, it ran deeper into the forest. So here we are seeing that, when the bear saw the wolf, it ran deeper into the forest. No, the statement is wrong. When the wolf saw the lion, it ran deeper into the forest. So this is wrong. Then fifth one, as the cows saw the bear coming, they were mooing loudly and running in panic. So as we know, as we saw in the chapter also this one, that the cows saw that the bear was coming. Okay, so they were running here and there, and they were in the trouble, and they were making the like sound from their mouth. So that's called mooing loudly. Okay, so this is true, right? So we'll put the right over there. Then sixth one, the lion frightened the men away, making a great roar. Okay, so when did the lion frighten, means did the lion afraid to the man by making a great roar, means by making you can say the fearful sound. Okay, or you can say the very harsh sound. So this is wrong, right? The lion did not frighten the man, but rather inspired the lion was frightened by the man, because he saw that the someone is coming this side into the forest. Okay, then seventh one, the dog knows no other master after finding man as his master. So this is also true. The dog found the man is the the only master who is the powerful like on the earth. Okay, so after that he did not found any other master after the once he found the man as is the final master, right? So this is true. Now we will see the some question answers, comprehension questions. Okay. So now first one says this we have to write in one sentence each. Okay. So it's okay if you get the one or two sentences in the answers. Okay. So what kind of life was the dog ill pleased with? So what kind of the life the dog was like tired of, or you can say that he was sick of. Okay, so we'll see the answer. Dog were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. So our answer says that the dog were their once own master, right? They didn't used to follow to the anyone. They used to live in their freedom, in freely, like in freedom, right? The They don't used to follow anyone, or there was no master of the dog, right? So this is the answer of the this first question. And it also says that until they found one dog who was born and who was ill pleased, means who was sick the way of his life. Okay, so and then he's searching for the master. He's searching for the master in his life. Okay, so this is our first answer. Now coming to the second question. Now, what solution did the dog think to get the rid of the unpleasant life? Now, to get out of the unpleasant life, to get rid means to get the out of the unpleasant life. What solution he found? Okay, so we'll see that to get rid of this unpleasant life, the dog thought to become the master of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. So dog thought that to get out of this unpleasant life, he thought that he want to become the master of someone who can be the stronger than anyone on the earth. Okay, then third one, what kind of master was the dog looking for? Now, what kind of the master the dog is looking for? Like the master who is very strong, or the master who is very silly or lazy. So we'll see. He was looking for a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. So dog is looking for the master who is stronger than anyone on the earth, and who is not afraid of anyone on the earth. All right. Then fourth one, who was the second master of the dog? So as we already studied in the chapter, right? The bear was the second master of the dog, and the first master was the wolf. Okay, so bear is the second master of the dog. Then fifth one, who according to the bear is the strongest beast on earth? Now, according to the bear, who is the strongest beast on the earth? So lion, according to the bear, is the strongest beast on the earth, because the bear was afraid of the lion, and so according to the bear, the lion is the strongest beast on the earth. Okay, now next one, the lion felt that he would be in trouble. Why did the lion felt that he is in trouble? Because he got to know that somebody is coming in the forest, and so he started smelling that the human presence over there. Okay, So we'll see the answer. Because he smelled a man was coming to his way. So he got to know that he smelled that somebody is coming. The human is coming to his way, right? So human being. So man was coming to his way. So he felt like he's in trouble, right? So this is our short question answers. Now we'll see the question answers in 2-3 sentences each. All right. So first one, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Now, why did the dog feel that he need a master, right? He want a master. Okay. So we'll see the answer. The dog was sick and tired of going about alone in search of food, and he did not feel safe. So he decided to have a master. So the answer says that the dog was was sick, right, and was like tired of going going for going here and there, wandering here and there for the food. Okay, and he did not even feel safe. He was alone, and he used to feel very like uh, like in dangerous. Okay, so he wants someone that he to whom he could be the servant of. He can give the service of, and he can become the servant of. And so in this way he feel himself as a like a safe person. Okay, so he decided to have a master. Okay, so then second one, who did the dog first choose as his master, and why did he leave him? So you know very well, students, the answer of this question. The dog first chose, Wolf as his master, right? But later on, as he got to know after some time, after a few days, why did he leave him? So because the wolf was tired of the bear, so he left the company of the wolf. All right. So this is our answer. The dog first chose a wolf as his master, but he found the wolf afraid of the bear. So he left the company of the wolf. Alright. So this is our second one. Then coming to our third one. Which two qualities of the wolf appeal the dog? So now which are those two qualities, which is appealed by the dog of the wolf? Okay. So according to the, you can say, the two qualities of the wolf which is appealed by the dog was he was very strong and he was very fierce. Alright. So he was not afraid from anyone. Okay. So this is according to the, you can say, the dog. Okay, these are the two qualities. All right. Now fourth one. How did the wolf come to know about the presence of a bear nearby? What did he do to save his life? Now, how did the wolf came to know that there is there is someone around him, there is bear around him, and what he did to save his life? Now, what he did to to save his life means to save himself. Okay, so we will see here. Once one day the wolf and the dog were walking in the forest, and suddenly the lifted his nose. Okay, sniffed, started quickly off the path and into the bushes. So to save his life, he crept deeper into the forest. So once how the wolf and the dog were passing over there, and suddenly he got the smell like of the that somebody is over here, like who is coming near to us, and he like got to know that the from the way which they are passing there is someone. So he was like going deep into the bushes. Okay, and he got to know that there is a bear. So to save his life, what he did, he crept inside, means he went quickly or slowly inside, you can say, deeper into the forest. Who went? The wolf went deeper into the forest. Now this is our fourth answer. We'll see the next one. Okay, our next one, fifth one says, why did the bear run away when he saw the herd of cows? So when the bear saw the herd of cows, why did he run away? Because the bear along with the herd of cows, he also saw the lion over there, right? So he got to know that there is the lion who is like living in this area. So he left that place because he got to know that the along with the herd of cows there is a lion who is coming and who is like living in this area. Then our sixth one, how did the lion react when he smelled a man approaching him? Okay, now how did the lion was giving his reaction when he smelled, when he smelled that there was a man approaching him? It means there was some human being who was like supposed to come over in this place. Okay, so now the lion gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that the whole foamed there, and back he began to back away very quickly, very quietly. So you know what lion did when he got to know that there is some man is coming over in this way, so he gave a very great roar, means he gave, you can say, very great shout. Okay, and he struck the ground, he was striking the ground in in a very angrily, means in very anger manner, he was very angry. Okay, with his paw, means with his foot. Okay, and with he struck the ground so forcefully that in that ground one hole formed. Okay, hole was formed, and he began to move back very quietly, means very slowly. There should the noise should not come, so nobody can get to know, the man should not get to know that there is lion over here. Okay, so this is about our sixth answer. Then seventh one, why did the dog serve the lion for a long time? Now you also know very well that why did the dog serve the lion for the long time, because the dog stayed with, so we'll see the answer. The dog stayed with the lion for a long time as the lion was the strongest beast. It was a it was a good life, and the dog had nothing to complain of. So you know why the dog stayed with the lion very long time, because everyone knows that in the like forest, the everyone, all the animals and everyone were afraid of the lion, and the dog want the master who can be the stronger than anyone on the earth. So the dog was having very good life, and he has no complaints, and because every nobody used to dare to talk to the, or you can say to complain to the dog. All right, so he was safe with the lion, so he had spent a long time with the lion itself. All right, then eighth one, last one, whom did the dog finally choose as his master, and why? So why now in the finally who we saw this whole answer also, that why the finally the dog is choosing to whom, and why is choosing to the man only. All right, so the dog finally selected the man to be his master because he wanted a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. The man was stronger than the lion, who back away quickly after coming to know about the presence of, okay, after coming to know about human presence. Okay, now the dog is finally choosing to whom as his final master. He's choosing a man because he came to know that the man is the strongest, like you can say the beast or strongest person on the earth. Okay, because the lion is also afraid from the man, so he finally choose the man as his master. Okay, and why did he choose? Because he got to know that the lion and all other were afraid of the man, and when the lion got to know that, when a lion smelled that somebody there is some human presence, he was running back into the forest. Okay, so this is our answer number 8, and answer number 9, you have to do it on your own. You have to find out that what kind of relationship does the dog have with the man. So we, as we saw all this, all the all all the answers, and all in this unit we saw that how the dog is changing his master one by one. Okay, so in this video, in ninth one, you will see, you have to write and you have to think and you have to write that what kind of relationship the dog is having with the man. Okay, so this you have to write on your own. Okay, no problem if it's wrong or right or the spelling mistake, but you try on your own and you think and write that how, because the dog choose the finally man as his master. So why is choosing man is master, and now what kind of relationship he would be having with the man. All right. So as of now, we are doing up to here only, up to number 9. So the rest of the things we will see in the next video. So I hope you understand this about all the question answers, right, wrong, and MCQs. So this you have to write in your workbook and you have to show me. Okay, students. So please stay home, stay safe.